everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a day. I have never filmed a video like this before, but you guys keep asking me about my diet and my workout routine. Workout routine coming up soon, but I think diet should go up first. Diet is so important, much more than a workout routine. Diet comes first, and if you have a workout routine, you're not eating properly, it makes absolutely no sense at all to me. So yeah, diet comes first. And there are a few disclaimers I would like to give before starting with the video. The first one being, I am not a doctor or a dietitian. Whatever I do is something that works for me. I'm just sharing it with you guys, and in no way or form I'm asking you to eat and follow exactly what I'm doing. Each and everyone's meal should be customized based on your needs. I am not planning to lose or gain weight. I just want to maintain what I have right now. Definitely lose a few inches, but I'm not consciously dieting for it. I'm just doing what I do, eating healthy and work out once in a while. Trying to be consistent, but that's what I do. I like to see my diet as a holistic approach, something that I can do forever and not like a crash course of 15 to 20 days because that never really works. And yeah, with that said, let's get started with the video. In the morning, I like to wake up around 9 AM, but 9 to kabhi 9:30, 10 bhi ho jata hai. But as soon as I wake up, the first thing I like to do is drink some hot water. I love hot water in the morning. It just helps me to wake up. I don't drink tea or coffee, so hot water is my jam. I like to have my hot water with some lemon and honey. If you don't like it, you can just have plain hot water. That works as well. Or you can customize it. You can add turmeric in it. You can add apple cider vinegar. Really, you can literally customize it to whatever you like. Hot water really helps me with my digestion and waking up in the morning. So yeah, that's what I have the first thing in the morning. Once I have my warm water, uske baad I start prepping for my breakfast. I like to keep a good gap of half an hour to 45 minutes. So around 10 AM, I like to have my breakfast. And for that, I love having oats. First, I used to hate oats because when I ready-made masala oats rehta, wo try kiya tha. Horrible. Now I like to have steel cut oats. But it's a pain in the ass because it takes literally half an hour to cook. So I like to meal prep it for a week or so. So I can just have it. It's already ready. I just add in some milk, peanut butter, chocolate flavor wala peanut butter and some honey, mix it in and my breakfast is ready basically. Again, you can customize it according to your preference. I like to add some blueberries in there if I have any, and you can add any fruits, strawberry, apples, anything that you have at your place, you can add it in there. Along with oats, I also like to have 2 egg whites. If you don't know, egg whites are a great source of protein. So protein along with carbs, a great breakfast idea. I like to have my lunch around 2 or 2:30. So uske pehle around 12, I like to have my dietary capsule from Zenith. It's called Curcumin Plus. I have spoken about Zenith in the past as well because I really like their products and it's great for the overall well-being of your body. Now this one has curcumin in it, which is 20 times more powerful than turmeric, and it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which promotes healthy brain function, joint health, boost immunity, and is great for the overall well-being of your body. It can also help detoxify the liver and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. This bottle has 60 capsules in it and the capsules are vegetarian. And it does not have sugar, preservatives, corn, soy or dairy in it. This is also yeast and gluten free and you can have 1 capsule per day with milk or water. I would recommend having it with milk as this does improve the absorption and effectiveness of calcium in it. This pandemic has really taught everyone being fit and taking care of your health is so freaking important. Even though the lockdown has been lifted, but the virus is still there, it's still present, right? So building your immunity and taking care of your health has become even more important now. Look at it as a holistic approach. Making small changes now will definitely benefit you in the future run. And I would highly recommend trying this one out, not only you, but your family as well, as there is no side effects in it. So yeah, I'll definitely link it in the description down below if you're interested in getting it. Moving on to lunch now. I like to have my lunch around 2 or 2:30 PM and I eat whatever is made at home. Okay, so that usually consists of bhaji with some chapati or bhakri, rice, dal, sprout salad, and if my mom has made something that I don't like for bhaji or she has not made any, I like to make my own stir-fried vegetables, which is the favorite thing. I love stir-fried vegetables. And whatever vegetables I have at my place like capsicum, corn, carrot, beans, I just add all of that in and give it a nice stir on high flame. Make sure that has the char flavor on it. Add some salt, pepper, oregano. You can also add eggs in it. I love to have eggs, gives me that protein in it. And I really like vegetables with some egg in it. You can add a little bit of mayonnaise. I like to add it. You can skip it. Gives me that creamy flavor. And yeah, that's my stir-fried vegetables for you. Whatever you eat, just make sure that it's a well-balanced diet when it comes to carbs, protein, vegetables, greens. You need all of that. Your body needs all of that, right? Uske baad, I like to work out sometime around 4 p.m. Emphasis on sometime. I'm so hard to be consistent, but ho jata hai, kabhi miss out ho jata hai. So if that day I'm going to work out at 4 p.m. then I need to have my pre-workout meal, right? But that meal totally depends on when I had my lunch. So if I had my lunch around 2:30 p.m. then I'll skip my pre-workout meal because I'm already full. And if I had my lunch around 12:30, तो बहुत बड़ा gap हो जाता है, so I'll include a pre-workout meal as well. For pre-workout meal, I like to have sweet potato or a peanut butter with brown bread, whatever is available, some banana, whatever is available basically. So that's my pre-workout meal. Just an important tip. If you're gonna work out at 4 p.m. for example, make sure you have your pre-workout meal 1 or 1.5 hours before working out. You wanna make sure that you don't have food in your stomach, it's fully digested. You need to give a good span of 1 or 1.5 hours before you work out. If my stomach is already full and I'm going to skip my pre-workout meal, then I'll have green tea around 3 p.m. And 10 minutes before my workout, I like to have some black coffee. Just plain simple black coffee. I like to gulp patak se because I don't like the taste of it. But it really helps with the concentration while you're working out. After workout, I like to have my dinner around 6 or 7 p.m. because I'm so hungry after workout. If I'm not working out, then I'll definitely add in some evening snack in between. For dinner, I like to have, again, what is made at home. Some rice, dal, chapati bhaji, sprout salad. And for my protein, I like to have fish, chicken, anda, whatever is made at home. But if you're a vegetarian, you can include paneer in it, rajma, tofu. Again, great options for protein. Uske baad, if I feel hungry around 9 or 10 p.m., I like to have some dry fruits, akhroot, badam, jo bhi available hoga ghar pe, I'll have it. And don't forget the water intake. It's very important. I have a water bottle that I keep refilling, but I make sure that I have around 10 to 15 glasses of water per day. And if you have noticed, I like to have my heavier meals in the morning and light at the end of the day because that's just how I like it, and it really helps me with my digestive system as well. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. That's all I eat in a day. And if you have found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, do all that good stuff, share it with your friends. And the comment shout out goes to Sheena James. Sheena, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.